Good morning, everyone. This is Ranger Rob, and welcome to the Ranger Rob Country Living channel. And yes, we do daily vlog posts here. So yeah, we try our best. I want to welcome all the new people to the channel. Got a lot of new subscribers, and well, we had a busy weekend. Got a lot of harvesting done, and we got, oh gosh, I don't know how many she made. 10 jars, actually 10 and a half jars of spaghetti sauce with 26 pounds of tomatoes. So yeah, that was pretty awesome. And we also just did a new intro. I'd love to hear your feedback if you like it or not. And anyway, and of course it's Monday morning, and some of you guys would like probably messed up with the days, because we do try to have a few videos done ahead of time in case I need a day off. And let's see what kind of trouble everybody's got into here. You just never know, like a tank's empty, something needs watered, something fell down. We'll see. Let's check it out. And of course, I had one empty tank already out here. Hopefully it didn't damage the motor, but I don't know why we're so low. I don't see any leaks or anything. But we're getting all filled up with nutrients again. Got all my chemicals out here. And then we'll go check the greenhouse. Alright guys, before I forget, I want to say hello to Victoria on Crooked River Ranch. I ran into her at the grocery store. Said she watches a lot of our shows and some of our podcasts. And it was super nice to meet her. And she definitely got a kick out of what we do with our hydroponics. So I've been walking around the yard, checking all the different tanks. I did want to see if we got any eggs on this side. So let's take a look. Well, I got a chicken. She's not going to let me look. So we'll check a little later. And but I think they're starting to respond. And can you believe that pile has dropped so much already? So yeah, anyway, I've still got tons of things to do. We are watering the corn as we speak, and that's what the corn looks like, and it's looking pretty good. All of our plants here inside are looking pretty good. I am having trouble with aphids in my greenhouse again, so I ordered some neem oil and some other stuff, because I don't know whatever happened to my ladybugs, but they're out of business. And so yeah, got lots of zucchini on the way. We got to pick a whole bunch of purple beans, and looks like everything's growing pretty good here, but I don't see any new plants yet, or zucchini. But I got some on the other plant, so trust me, I got plenty of zucchini. All right, guys. Actually, I had to take off for a few hours, and just got back. We're gonna go out and go get our tomatoes out of the greenhouse. And wow, guess what? It's a sparkling day in Central Oregon. So sorry, I got squirreled on you here. A German Shepherd chasing butterflies. Hard to stay focused on what's going on in Afghanistan. It's like watching Vietnam all over again. I better stay away from that subject. But kind of sad. I have a lot of friends and people I know that participated over there, and I know they feel like they're getting slapped in the face. So I send my regards to all our vets. Salute them all, respect them all, and always will. So I'm at the greenhouse right now, and we're gonna get some tomatoes out of here. And oh, it's warm out. Alrighty guys, definitely warm out here today. Got a lot of tomatoes, a few cucumbers, and some green beans. So yeah, not a bad harvest. I still have a lot of tomatoes almost ready. So tomorrow we'll probably get another big batch. So that's a good thing. It's definitely been a hot one today. I come over here in the shade by the pond. Pond is looking real pretty. My fish are really growing. They're getting pretty big. I only have 2 of them. So there are 2 little koi in here. I bought them when they were just little guys. Now, I can see them right now. Kind of hard to see, but of course they think they're getting fed. But yeah, anyway, this has been a busy day, just getting chores done. It's been a distressing day watching what's going on in Afghanistan, and I'm trying not to let that bother me too much, but a lot of you folks probably know how I'm feeling. The other thing I did notice as we went to a couple of stores over the weekend, and yes, there's signs of the things getting kind of short. Once again, the paper products, water, liquid products are kind of low. It's kind of interesting. I don't know if everybody's buying a lot of water and stuff like that. And then I did see one report saying that like some of the reasons we're seeing Walmart's looking so bad is because they don't have enough people to stock the shelves. So they're actually closing stores earlier so they could put everybody on stocking shelves. I hope that's true, but by the looks of things, we're starting to show a little indication that it might be a good idea to preserve a few things, add to your pantry, just in case, especially anything that we fell low on back when the first shortages came. I would make sure you take care of that stuff, your toilet papers, paper towels. Oh yeah, noodles and stuff like that. Those are the things we kind of fell short on before, and it's kind of showing that it might happen again. So I'd get on it if I was you guys. So anyway, just a heads up, we're doing it. I wouldn't ask you to do anything that me and Sherry aren't doing. So anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. Please take the time to like, subscribe, and share our videos all over the whole wide world. We'd appreciate it. And I want to thank all the new subscribers. And thank you so much, guys. And till tomorrow, we'll talk to you later. Bye.
Our videos are made possible by Ranger Rob Poopy Bags, available at Amazon right now. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please take the time to like, subscribe, and share our videos all over the whole wide world. Thanks.